lot of fun over the next couple of days. But in total, this group represents over 3.8 million friends, fans, followers, and subscribers. That's a massive number.
I'm Izzy Swan, and I'm a huge fan of ZH Fabrication.
So earlier this month, I was invited to attend a TIG Welding crash course at the Lincoln Electric headquarters in Cleveland, Ohio. So I'm always excited to attend events like these, and with all the traveling that we've been doing lately, this community is really starting to feel more like a family to me than just a group of really great makers. This time around, I was fortunate enough to get to spend some time with Jimmy DiResta, Izzy Swan, Laura Kampf, April Wilkerson, Johnny Brook, Doug from Retro Weld, Brett McAfee, Brian Fuller, and a handful of other people as well.
Hi, I'm Brett McAfee, and I'm an even bigger fan of Zach and ZH Fabrications.
We really got right into things on the first day. Not only did we get to mess around with a lot of mild steel, but we also got to play with aluminum, stainless steel, and something that I've been really wanting to get into for a while is TIG brazing with silicon bronze, which I got to do. So this is our charter bus, which for some reason became progressively smaller throughout the weekend. And later that night we had a get-together at a local place called The Butcher and the Brewer.
Hey, I'm taking over Zach's camera.
So we're gonna be doing some like CNC lines tomorrow.
John.
Oh yeah, that'll be like.
Douglas, you're in the shadows. You look very mysterious.
Alright, I'm gonna use this shot, no one else is allowed to use it.
I'm gonna have to get myself some shirts. I didn't know this existed.
Before we made it back to the shop on the second day, we swung by the weld school and the visitor center.
Hey, we forgot Johnny.
And there was that time we forgot Johnny on the shuttle. Without a doubt, my favorite part of the trip was a place that we went to called the Skidmark Garage, which is essentially a motorcycle co-op. There's a lot of custom bike building, fabrication going on there. They have a bar, a pool table. It's just one of those places you really want to be a part of. And for any gearheads out there, it had like the perfect combination of carbureted machinery and PV blaster hanging in the air. It was amazing.
Hi, I'm John. I still punch horses.
Hey, I'm Jim Bollinger. My YouTube channel is Do Right Fabrication. I like to build lots of cool stuff and teach everybody neat little tricks about welding and building things from different viewpoints.
Hey, what's up guys? I'm Brad from Fix This Build That, and I love Zach for the holes. Don't you?
Hey, I'm Brian Fuller. I like to fill holes in cars. You know, I find people in the neighborhood who have holey cars and go in there and fix holes, sheet metal, rusting.
Nice, sir.
Got a shovel? Dig it.
Mine. Hey, I'm Douglas. My channel is Retro Weld, and I like to weld.
Hey, I'm Laura. My channel is Laura Kampf, and I build stuff. And I recently just finished my tiny house, and April is invited.
To your tiny house?
Yeah.
Okay, thanks. My name is April, and I'm in the middle of building a giant shop, and Laura is invited.
With my tiny house?
With your tiny house.
What?
My name is Jimmy DiResta. I like to make stuff. I like to be weird. Very weird. Let's get this going. That's how we do this, Jimmy now.
Again, and always, thank you so much for watching this video. I just want to give a special thanks to Lincoln Electric and Craig Coffey for putting this whole thing together. I also have another trip coming up here the end of April. I recently ordered a hydraulic forging press from the guys at Cole Iron Works, and Jimmy DeResta and I have set up kind of a little get-together there in Indiana. They're going to give us a 2-day crash course on how to use their press, and they've actually invited some of their friends who are also highly renowned blacksmiths to give us a 2-day smithing seminar. So that's going to be a lot of fun. In the meantime, I invite you to follow me on Instagram if you're not already. It's under ZH Fabrications, and that's kind of a good way to see what I'm up to. And until next time, I'll see you guys later. Thank you.